Tonight we pay tribute to Jack Hanley, who has made tremendous contributions to the Sturm College of Law and the legal profession. Jack was hired by Dean Bob Yegi in 1967. They were a team, often referred to as the Bobbsey twins. They ushered the law school into one of its most innovative periods. DU Law gained national visibility for the programs and initiatives they founded, innovations that other law schools around the country later adopted. Among the many programs they founded include the Council on Legal Education Opportunity, or CLEO, which led to the active recruitment of minority students, the Masters of Science in Legal Administration, or MSLA, that trains professionals in the business of practicing law, and the Law and Society program, which focuses on the intersection of law with other social institutions. They also work tirelessly to recruit female law students.
So Dean Yegi used to say, what good is a vision if you don't have anyone to execute it? Well, Jack is that person. He makes things happen, which is why he is considered a leader and a visionary on the business side of practicing law.
Jack currently is the Chief Operating Officer and Executive Director of the law firm of Riley Posner.
Jack Hanley is the most interesting man in the world. Those Dos Equis commercials, which a lot of people don't know, were really based on Jack's life. But unlike the most interesting man in the world, Jack is not a blowhard or a braggart. He's a elegant and humble and loyal human being that I've known for 35 years. Like the most interesting man in the world, he knows something about everything. He knows about banking, he knows about law, he knows about signing leases and human resources, and he knows about personnel issues. But mostly he knows about being a great friend. That's how I would describe Jack for me. I've been fortunate to know him and fortunate to have him at my side for all these years.
Jack has been an adjunct professor of legal administration at Denver Law for the past 20 years.
Anytime I had a request for money for the clinical program, Jack always was able to find the money. He would not hesitate at all and would very readily say, oh, yeah, I think we can find some money for that. And Jack had a really engaging personality. It was a pleasure to deal with him. Very often, people who manage money for organizations are hard to deal with, but Jack was just as pleasant a person to deal with, and I would always look forward to making these requests for different budget items.
Jack and I have had a great relationship in private practice, as we did at the law school, and it's been a pleasure knowing him and working with him all these years. I've always respected his work and his attitude and his diligence and persistence and all of the characteristics that make a great person. Jack has them. And I know that whatever he does will always be an excellent job. I wish him the best.
Please join us in recognizing a man who is known for his professionalism, integrity, leadership, and panache, Jack Hanley.